gi Roda Odhiambo.
Jakom mar board mar Yiero e duond bura mar UDA Anthony Mwaura owacho ni en kod geno ni duond burano biro yudo loch e yiero madundo mabende chano bage dwe mar 11 higani kolose kinde chenro mar chiwo boke mag laro kombe mopogore kod otiko ma duond burano. Mwaura ne olero ni ikruok dhi nyime kendo duond burano oikore moromo ne yiero madundo mochan bage pacho kae e dwe mar 11 higani.
Hivi chama hatukubagi na tasaswishi, lazima tushinde. If you produced a presidential candidate and the candidate went all the way and won the elections, even you, it is a must. Unasikia mtu wa Magarini, hakuna maneno ingine, lazima ushinde. Unasikia mtu wa Pele, then we do it, you come from where our party chair comes from. And our party chair must deliver that seat. Mtu wa Magarini, you know that you come from where our SG comes. Usihaibishe our SG. And even with the MCs, I tend to believe that you are going to bring these seats.
Mani mabiro kelo giko mag weche manyien mago matuche kor gwenge gi lak seche gi tudri kod Ochieng' Emmanuel kochakre sa 11 ne weche manyien.
Mago ne matuch e kor gwenge gi Roda Odhiambo. Weche tuke e Radio Ramogi. Machiegni kocha mako jolo mar klab mar tukagoko Andrew Amonde wacho ni kinda margi kachiel kod lony mabende gin godo mabende nomiyo sidhgi kaka joloche finals mag tuke mag Kebereri Sevens. KCB norodho Daystar Falcons gonde 20-10 e kidieny mokwongo ka kidieny mar ariyo bende ne giduogo girodho gi gonde 20-0 ka Amonde koro puoyo mokalo jotuke kuom tugo maber mabende ne ginyiso.
It's been coming. We've worked very hard for it. I think the experience that we had has just shown it. So we'll keep on building as a team. We have one more tournament to go, so we are really focusing on finishing on high. So we'll go back to the drawing board, correct whatever didn't work here to get better when we get to Dala.
Ne opoyo bende club mar Daystar kuom ne nyiso kitugo makare komedo ni team ne oseikore ne tugo no e yo maber.
We took them as a worthy opponent because they were able to play worthy opponents for them to get to that final. So we respected Daystar. We just took our chances when we had them and we focused on winning.
Kocha mara Daystar Falcons korka koreto ne owacho ni ne gin kod chenro makare motelo ne tukego gino mabende nomiyo gimijingo nyaka gichopa e finals mag tukego.
Really affected us in that game was not controlling the kickoffs. They were able to score their tries in the first half. In the second half, they've not scored, and we've scored 2 tries. If we had controlled possession in the first half, I think we would have given an account of ourselves. We really tried playing under that pressure because they were rushing and tried to create chances for our first wingers and for our forward.
Nyakasani Bosire wacho ni Daystar Falcons oseketo chia margi kama kare.
People will expect us to perform in Dala, and the boys themselves, they know. They've already set a bar. And it's a good thing. When you challenge yourself as a player and as a team, inspiration to the entire team. To Dala, we had set a top 6 for our overall performance for the season. And I think by reaching this final, we are moving closer to that. So just going to go the same way, try win all our games on day 1, try get to the quarter final, we move from there.
Kuma challenge koma mar riwruok mar Athletics Kenya e bade ma Nairobi Barnaba Korir wacho ni tim mar Kenya oikore mar dhiringo maber kendo kelo duoko makare ne piny Kenya ing'we mag piny mangima kata World Championships mabende ibro bagi piny ma Japan.
So far, most of the team members were together, and the coaches and the technical team have been working very closely with the athletes. And so far, there are minimal injuries, and there's excitement from the team. And I'm sure that the work they've been doing so far will see them through during the World Championship.
Korir olero ni moko kuom jotugo bro wuok e pacho ka odiochieng' ma kawuono ka gichomo piny Japan, kama moko bende bro wuok e pacho ka odiochieng' makiny ka gichomo piny Japan. Korir owacho ni chenro mag wuoth oseket kare.
We have a very strong team of technical and coaches who have been in other major championships like the World Championship and also the Olympics, so they know what to do. So far they have done a very good job in planning, ensuring that the the tickets and the traveling documents are ready, and so far they have organized those athletes who are in Eldoret to come today so that they can meet the others who are leaving today. The majority of them will be leaving today, some will be leaving tomorrow, and we have athletes already who are in Japan who are also going to compete. The president of Athletes Kenya is already there, so so far the transition is well.